Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today I'm super excited to announce the Surya Namaskar challenge. In this challenge, we'll be progressively working our way towards 108 Surya Namaskars. This is going to be a 9-week challenge, which I feel is enough time for us to slowly build our strength and stamina towards 108 Surya Namaskars or 54 sets. We'll be meeting Monday, Wednesday and Friday of each week and adding 2 sets every alternate day. Since this is going to be a purely Surya Namaskar challenge, I won't be doing warm-up and cool-down in each session. However, at the beginning of each week, I'll be dropping a compilation of 10 minutes warm-up and 10 minutes cool-down, which you can do at the start and end of each session. I'm really looking forward to starting this journey with all of you. See you on Monday for day 1.